Assalamu alaikum, friends. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue with Kenwood Inverter X the E3 error. This code often indicates a problem with the coil sensor. We'll walk through a real-world repair, showing you how a technician diagnosed and fixed this specific E3 error. The entire process is described in Urdu and Hindi for our viewers. So, what does the E3 error mean? In a Kenwood inverter, AC, it frequently points towards an issue related to the evaporator coil sensor, a crucial component for monitoring the cooling coil's temperature. This is vital for the AC's efficient operation. Now, let's see the technician's approach. The first step is always diagnosis. The technician observes the E3 error displayed on the AC unit. This suggests a potential fault with the coil sensor or its wiring. With the error code confirmed, the technician proceeds to pinpoint the problem area. Next, the technician locates the evaporator coil, where the coil sensor is positioned. The sensor is usually a small component attached to the copper tubing. This sensor is crucial for detecting the coil's temperature. The technician found damaged wiring a rat had chewed through the sensor's wires, disrupting the connection and triggering the E3 error. Now, the repair. The technician meticulously repairs the wires. He strips the insulation from the cut ends. Then, he reconnects the wires, ensuring a secure connection. After reconnecting the wires, the technician uses electrical tape to insulate the repaired section to prevent shorts. The goal is to fully restore the wiring. Following the wiring repair, the technician tests the sensor using a multimeter. The technician sets the multimeter to measure resistance, often in the kilo-ohm k-omega range. He attaches the probes to the sensor's terminals. The correct resistance value should be approximately 5 kilo-ohms. The resistance measurement informs the sensor's functionality. After fixing the wiring and checking the resistance, the technician reassembles the AC unit and powers it on, checking if the E3 error is gone. In this case, the repair was successful, and the E3 error cleared. The AC is functioning correctly. If the error persisted, it would indicate a deeper problem, potentially requiring a sensor replacement. So, a successful repair of the E3 error on a Kenwood inverter AC. Remember to prioritize safety. If you're not comfortable with this repair, always consult a qualified technician. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Khuda Hafiz.